Hi and welcome to Reading and Writing Super Bravo, Serbian language for foreigners. Let's read again the words that we've just had in the previous video, but this time only the words that have some meaning in Serbian. So please repeat after me. Baba, da, deda, duga, žaba, ja. Jaje, ljubav, mama, mi, ne, nebo, riba, san, selo. And let's keep on going. Sir, sin, so, soba, tata, ti, to, torba, ćao, ćebe, film, centar, cipela, čokolada, šala, šolja, šuma. Keep on reading and repeating until you feel completely confident. I'm Ivana Marinković. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.